Mahila, we'll go over some information here. Patrick's Day, 17 March 2021. 7'6" center Sean Bradley on Wednesday revealing that he was recently struck by an automobile while riding his bike and suffered a serious spinal cord injury that has left him paralyzed. John Magufuli dead, 14 days national mourning. Mom didn't go into gravel. Alex in bad health, Bernie says. Zebra muscles, small about the size of thumbnail collectively, are a big problem. You'll be able to play as Tiger Woods again. Dreams are private. Miranda Eat commercial. Okay. So from bottom to top, that was on TV. As I was watching CNN, there was this commercial that was on NPR, Dreams Are Private. NPR, Tiger Woods, talking about a video game. NPR, Zebra Muscles. My grandma's name is Bernie. She was on the phone talking to my dad on the way to dinner. Alex is like their fixer guy, like their handyman, Mom didn't go into gravel. Something with that with Tobias Hesleywood Jones was shown. Something like that's when he cut off or something, like his family went into the gravel and that made him Batman or something. And he's kind of tied to Groxt a little bit, like something is going on there. There's like a connection that he brought about, like that Grox would be like John the Baptist or something. And I guess he cut off in like 91, around there, 92. But I don't know. It could be a perplexed Harry Perry, but I think that Grox is with Queen Elizabeth on that front, and they're like total opposites, something like that type of connection, which can happen. So, and with Ben V, it's like that too, really, with Tom Cruise. But so that's in the news. John Magufuli died. And then on Yahoo News was that terrible incident that happened, Sean Bradley, okay, which my therapist's name in Lexington is actually Bradley. And I got a call from Teresa today from PS as I was going to get my lunch around 10. And so we talked, and she seems to be doing well, but I'll go over that too. So 59/68 prime. So you get 4 times 347. So then I had a vision. This is last night. What I saw was Revelation 16:4 as radio lights pregao provincial is stiga the word, which kind of, it's like what it means and what it flows as, and like when people use it and how it relates to reality. The language becomes reality and stuff is kind of the way I'm looking at that. But it's Swedish and it means to rise, to increase, to move, foot, and walking. And then a Rhine Wikipedia type of alien. So all that mixed together, 3 parts. Then a Viper Wolf, a Seahorse, and a Goddle, Star Wars. So Goddles kind of look like Batman or like Hellboy a little bit, and they're a little older looking. So that's Revelation 16:3. So I'll zoom in on this. Let you take a look here. So then Porocephalida, shiny black willow, the tree, okay, shiny black one, willow, and black rainbow, Eucalyptus deglupta type of tree as well. That's all mixed together perfectly to be Revelation 8:10. So now these 3 are all mixed perfectly, and humanoid, able to stand in fingers form when they stand in that Tarzan style, can run fast on 4s, suave on 2 feet. So Revelation 16:3 and 4, and Revelation 8:10. Okay. Then we have Revelation 8:12. All right, and that's the prolemur, Belgian blue bowl, Nanaria hoki. Iron and clay are the extra forearms, and Media and Persia are the prolemur arms. Okay, so iron and clay are right and left, and Media and Persia are right and left of the hands is perfectly balanced. So Derek Kellenick and Peyton Morris, that Earth Maui stuff was the left hip. Heart was Brian A. Field. Hold pocket, naked French, Hottentotta, skinny legs. Cheeks, Woodrail, KB Toys, Arthur Ebot was or Abot were the kidneys, kind of.